Hello everyone, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and I am doing laundry. And I thought about something as I was doing laundry. Another tech tip for you guys. It's my personal washer. It's about the tub seal here, right? Now, I got a video on trying to keep it clean here. This one probably just needs to be replaced, but I scrub it every so often. But this just happens naturally. But if you have a tub seal, front load washer, just rubber seals, this gasket here, right? And sometimes this part right here gets chipped, ripped. Maybe because rubber ripped is the best word. And what happens is this will get ripped and water will drip out of the front, right? So if that happens, if this already happens to yours, there's no repairing that. I mean, you can, but you shouldn't, right? Because it has to create a seal. So when this door is closed, see underneath here, this is where the rubber goes, and it creates a seal on the door. So even if you try to glue it together or something like that, if it's not flushed, water will still escape. Now, unless this rip is on the side, you can probably get away with that. But here, this actually holds water. So anyway, the whole point is to prevent that, what you need to do is watch how you load clothes. Because what happens is, so this is my kids' laundry, and when you take clothes out, it pulls against the bottom. See that? See the clothes right here? It pulls against the bottom. And especially if you have teenagers in your house, and if this thing is full of clothes, they just put your hand in it and they just pull the whole thing out, and it puts pressure on this. And also the same is true for putting clothes in. So if you have a basket of clothes and you're trying to put clothes in here, you push against that bottom there, it gets pressure here and it pushes this seal. And a lot, especially right here where it's a groove, I see a lot of times it's detached, and that's from shoving clothes in. Especially if some people use a method where, try to show you, got one hand here, they'll put the basket against the seal right here, and they'll just shove all the clothes inside. So anyway, the point is, it's enough illustration of that, I guess. The point is, just put it in one by one. See, like me, grab it, just put it in one by one like that, instead of shoving it in. Take them out, just take them out like this. It's okay for it to hit the seal a little bit, but just too much pressure will rip it. So just grab it, go in there and grab, pull out. And that's all you gotta do. So that's another tech tip with Reggie with A-Team Appliance. And again, this is my personal machine. As you see, it's not perfect. As a technician, I'm sure mechanics out there feel the same way. Your own personal machine is the last thing to get worked on. So, because you don't get paid to do it. Nah. But anyway, this is Reggie A-Team Appliance, man. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I try to respond as soon as I can. And just protect these tub seals. And again, good way to clean these things. I usually use Ajax or a dishwasher tablet. It'll never come all the way clean. If it's moldy at this point, you just basically have to replace it. It's not really I mean, this is a debate. Some people say, "Oh, it's mold." It's not the same. I mean, as long as you scrub it and clean it, I don't see it being a health issue. Not all mold is the same. But it depends on you. And if you decide you just want to change it, just change it out. I change them out. It usually costs anywhere from $250 to $400. Depends on the technician and the part. So any questions, feel free to comment below. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance.